Hello and welcome to the tutorial on subtraction of 3-digit numbers and 100. 3-digit numbers and 100. We're going to do this using the vertical format. So let's have a look at our first example. What is 246 minus 100? 246 minus 100. Now I'm sure most of you can do this just by looking at the question, but we're going to do this using the vertical format. So the first stage is to rewrite this question into columns. So let's do that over here. 246 minus 100. Let's label the columns as well. The one on the right hand side is the units column, then we have the tens, and then we have the hundreds. So we have completed stage 1, which is to rewrite the question from the horizontal format into the vertical format. We can now go ahead and do the calculation. As always, we always start with the column on the right hand side. Remember, we are minusing. So let's begin. What is 6 minus 0? 6 minus 0. That's right, the answer is 6. The tens column. What is 4 minus 0? 4 minus 0. That's right, the answer is 4. And lastly, we're going to do the hundreds column. 2 minus 1. What is 2 minus 1? That's right, it is 1. And we have our answer. 246 minus 100 is 146. That is correct. We get a nice big tick. Let's look at one more example. What is 843 minus 100? And again, we're going to do this using the vertical format. So let's begin by rewriting this question. 843 minus 100. Nice, neat columns. And let's label the columns again. We've got units, then we have tens, and then we have the hundreds column. Stage 1 is done. We can now go ahead and do the calculation. I'm going to point this out again. Minus. So we start with the column on the right hand side. What is 3 minus 0? 3 minus 0. That's right, it is 3. Now we're going to do the tens column. What is 4 minus 0? 4 minus 0. That's right, the answer is 4. And lastly, we're going to do the tens column. What is 8 minus 1? 8 minus 1. That's right, it is 7. And we have our answer. 843 minus 100 is 743. We get a nice big tick because that is right. So that is how we do subtraction of 3-digit numbers and the number 100 using the vertical format.